B in this case, guys, we are still working with using the area mode in this case, guys, and because this is multiplication, when I do the area mode in this case, guys, the numbers are actually going to go on the outside. It's like an outline here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my whole number of 5, right? And then the mixed fraction in this case, guys, I am going to be breaking it up and putting it here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my whole number and then our fraction. We are multiplying in this case, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and be multiplying 5 by 9 and 2/3. So I'm going to go ahead and start off in this case, guys. Once again, 5 times 9. I know that that's going to give us 45, so I'm going to go ahead and put 45 inside. On the next one, I'm going to go ahead and do 5 times 2/3. Now, on this one here, guys, I do have a whole number, so let's go ahead and put that over 1 to create that fraction. And it actually gives me 5 times 2 is 10 over 1 times 3 is 3, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just rewrite this on the bottom, guys. This is actually going to be 45 plus 10 over 3. Now, in this case, guys, once again, this part here, is actually an improper fraction. All right, improper fraction. So in this case, guys, we want to go ahead and convert that improper fraction to a mixed fraction, right? Make it into a mixed fraction. And how we do that in this case, guys, we actually check how many times can the denominator go into the numerator and then go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and do, I have 3 going into 10. And 3 can actually go into 10 3 times, guys. That would actually give me 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. And if I do 10 minus 1, that's actually going to give me, or 10 minus 9, I'm sorry, is going to give us a 1. So then in this case, guys, this 3 is going to represent our whole number in the mixed fraction. This one here is going to be our numerator. And this one here is going to be our denominator. All right. So let's go ahead and write that in this case, guys. I still have 45. And I'm going to go ahead and do plus my whole number, which is 3, and 1/3. Now, in this case, guys, we're going to go ahead and add our whole numbers. And that's actually going to give me 48 and 1/3. Just to check in this case, guys, can I actually simplify that fraction 1/3? And just to check in this case, guys, just to check here, I'm going to go ahead and do 1 divided by 3. It's actually already simplified, right? Nothing to be done there. Once again, guys, how we check if it's simplified, you need to enter it on your calculator. So you would actually, to simplify, with the calculator, we would actually enter it. So let's say on this one, it would be, I would enter number 1. And then I would click the ABC button in this case, guys, ABC button to create a fraction, and then 3, right? Doing so in this case, guys, would actually give me a result of 1, and then it give me like that little comma and 3. So it'd just be 1/3. Okay. And let me see if I could actually show you guys this on Delta Math, how we're actually going to be entering it. So let's go ahead and check here, right? So we had in this case, guys, that this here was going to be 45, right? Because 9 times 5 is 45. When I multiplied in this case, guys, let me actually bring my work on the side here. When I multiplied, which was this section here, I got 10 over 3. All right. And after doing all of that in this case, guys, I actually found my answer to be 48. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the mixed number, 1/3. Let's go ahead and check if we got this correct. And we did, guys. We got it correct. And that actually shows you the steps in this case, guys. We are using distributive property to multiply this out.